Are you tired of old, dull floors that make your home look boring? What if I told you there's a super easy way to completely change your floor, and you can do it yourself, without hiring anyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PVC vinyl flooring step by step, from preparing the surface to laying the planks perfectly. It's beginner-friendly, affordable, and honestly, kind of fun to do. So if you've always wanted a new look for your room, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install vinyl flooring like a pro, even if it's your very first time. Let's get started and give your home that brand new floor look. What is PVC vinyl flooring? Alright, before we start working, let's quickly understand what PVC vinyl flooring actually is. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, and vinyl flooring is made from layers of this strong, flexible material. It's designed to look just like real wood, marble, or stone, but it's lighter, waterproof, and much easier to install. You'll find it in 3 common types. Vinyl planks. These look like wooden boards and are perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. Vinyl tiles. These are small square pieces, great for kitchens or bathrooms. Vinyl sheets or rolls. These cover large areas quickly and are often used in offices or large rooms. The best part? It's soft under your feet, easy to clean, and lasts for years. So if you're dreaming of a modern home upgrade on a budget, PVC vinyl flooring is the way to go. Why choose PVC vinyl flooring? Now you might be wondering, why should I choose vinyl flooring instead of tiles or wood? Here's why it's such a game changer. It's affordable. You can get a premium look without spending too much. It's waterproof. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or even basements. It's scratch resistant. So if you have kids, pets, or move furniture often, no problem. It's easy to install. Seriously, no special tools or professional help needed. And one more big reason, vinyl flooring comes in hundreds of colors and designs. Whether you love a cozy wood texture or a sleek marble finish, there's always a style that matches your home. That's why more and more people are choosing vinyl. It's stylish, strong, and simple to work with. Tools and materials you'll need. Before we jump into the actual installation, let's prepare all the tools and materials you'll need. Don't worry, nothing too fancy. Here's your checklist. PVC vinyl planks, tiles, or sheets, your main flooring material. Measuring tape, for accurate measurements. Utility knife or sharp cutter, for trimming the planks. Straight ruler or T-square, to help with straight cuts. Adhesive or glue, if it's not self-stick vinyl. Roller or flat press, to press the vinyl flat. Cleaning cloth or mop, to wipe off dust. Optional, a pencil for marking measurements. That's it. These simple tools will help you get clean, smooth results. And yes, always wear comfortable clothes. And maybe play your favorite playlist. It makes the job way more fun. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Now it's time for the most important step, preparing your floor surface. This step might not look exciting, but it decides how perfect your final floor will be. Start by removing all furniture and cleaning the area properly. The surface must be dry, flat, and dust-free. If there are old nails, screws, or bumps, remove or sand them down. If your existing floor has cracks or holes, fill them with floor filler and let it dry. For concrete floors, make sure they're completely dry before you start. For wooden floors, check that the boards are stable and not loose. Remember, a clean, smooth surface equals a flawless finish. Think of it like painting. The better your base, the better the result. Step 2. Measure and plan the layout. Alright, your floor is clean. Now comes the planning part. Use your measuring tape to check the length and width of the room. This helps you figure out how many planks or tiles you'll need. Always buy a little extra, around 5 to 10% more, in case you make mistakes or need to cut around corners. Next, decide which direction you want your planks to run. Running them along the longest wall usually makes the room look bigger and more natural. Before applying glue or peeling backing, lay a few planks dry to test the layout. This helps you see how the design will look and ensures that you won't end up with a thin, awkward strip at the wall. Step 3. Start laying the planks. Alright, now comes the most exciting part, installing your vinyl flooring. Start from one corner of the room, ideally the corner farthest from the door. If you're using self-adhesive vinyl, simply peel off the paper backing and gently place the first plank or tile on the floor. If it's glue-down vinyl, spread a thin, even layer of adhesive using a trowel or brush, then carefully set the vinyl piece on top. Press it firmly with your hands or a roller to remove air bubbles. Make sure it sticks well. Now continue placing the next plank right beside the first one. Align the edges tightly, no gaps, no overlaps. It should look like one smooth surface. Keep working row by row. For the last piece in each row, measure the space left, mark it with a pencil, and cut it carefully using your utility knife. Remember to cut from the back side for a clean edge. Once the first few rows are down, you'll start to see your new floor come to life. It's honestly so satisfying. Step 4. Cutting around edges and corners. Now let's deal with the tricky spots: walls, corners, and door frames. When you reach the edges, measure the remaining space accurately. A simple trick: turn the vinyl plank upside down, place it next to the wall, and mark where it needs to be cut. This helps you trace the exact shape without guessing. Cut slowly and carefully using your utility knife. Don't rush. If you need to go around door frames or pipes, use a small handsaw or trim knife. Don't rush. If you need to go around door frames or pipes, use a small handsaw or trim knife for neat edges. Once cut, gently place the piece and press it down. You'll be surprised how professional it looks when everything fits tightly around corners. Pro tip: always leave a tiny gap, around 1/8 inch, between the vinyl and the wall. This gives room for expansion if the temperature changes, just like real wood flooring. Step 5. Finishing touches. Now that your entire floor is covered, let's give it those perfect finishing touches. First, roll over the whole surface with a floor roller or even a clean towel wrapped around a heavy item. This ensures every piece sticks firmly, and there are no hidden air pockets. Next, clean off any extra glue from the edges using a damp cloth. After that, install skirting boards or edge trims along the walls. These not only cover the small gaps but also give your floor that clean, finished look you see in magazines. Stand back, take a deep breath, and look around. Your floor has completely transformed. Fresh, modern, and smooth, and you did it yourself. Maintenance tips. Now that you've got your beautiful new vinyl floor, here's how to keep it looking amazing for years. Clean regularly with a soft broom or vacuum. Use a damp mop and mild detergent. No harsh chemicals needed. Don't use strong bleach or acid cleaners. They can damage the surface. Place felt pads under furniture legs to prevent scratches. Avoid dragging heavy objects. Lift them instead. And here's a secret: if one plank ever gets damaged, you can easily replace just that piece without redoing the whole floor. That's one big advantage of PVC vinyl. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over a few common mistakes that people make, so you don't install vinyl on a wet or uneven surface. It'll cause bubbles later. Don't skip the layout test. Always check how planks fit before gluing. Don't forget to acclimate your vinyl. Let it sit in the room for at least 24 hours before installation. And lastly, don't rush the process. Careful placement gives that professional finish. A little patience goes a long way. And there you have it, your complete guide to installing PVC vinyl flooring all by yourself. Now you know every step, from preparation to cutting and finishing. It's budget-friendly, stylish, and can completely change the look of your home in just one day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your DIY-loving friends. Got questions or need help choosing the right vinyl type? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy flooring! Take your time.